I have so much ADD. Sometimes I don't know what I'm actually doing. And I just start doing things and they lead to other things.
And those things lead to other things.
But I end up with cool stuff. And so I'm gonna take you down a little ADD journey. Before we get to that journey, let me tell you about the end product.
It's this adorable tiny speaker I made out of scraps. It's powered by a modified amplifier I got at a thrift store.
So the reason I'm gonna build a tiny speaker is actually because of this. It was a tape player, but I turned it into a little amplifier for this project. It's some little oscillators I'm building from another YouTuber called Look Mum No Computer.
So let's turn this up.
And Sam, if you're watching, like, I'm so sorry. It's really terrible. Just wait until you hear it though, because it's even worse. Press play. And then turn this on and oh my god! Yeah, I don't even know like why, like it's terrible. So I needed to make a cleaner sounding thing so that I could turn this into something better. It's gonna be a guitar amp because the distortion's gonna sound great. So I want to make a clean sounding little amplifier and speaker situation so that I can do more tests on this and make it better, hopefully, you know, in time. But for now, let me show you how I made the awesome tiny speaker. To get clean sound, I need a better amplifier. I found this one at a thrift shop. It was only $5. Unfortunately, the clips that normally hold the speaker wire in had broken off. It's probably why it was at a thrift store. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what I can do with it here. And after a lot of tests and ADD moments, I think I know. I have a bunch of these because the school was getting rid of them. They're little 1/8" jacks to 1/4" jacks. But like if you solder something onto this, like it'll go anywhere. It's just audio signal, it doesn't matter. So get rid of these broken things and I'm gonna glue these ones in here instead. Ow, it flew right at my face. All right, fine, I'll put on some glasses. Now that that junk is gone, see, these things look like they're just gonna fit right in. And so like there's a little input right there. That's what it needs to touch. And then look, this thing just like fits right in there. And then I'm just gonna solder that like little sticky uppy piece right onto there. Solder time, solder time. I need Mr. Handsy to help me out. Ah, son of a... Ah, go deal with this burn. Move that. That's why you're short. See? Burns. Burns from the soldering iron. Remember, everyone, always keep a clean workspace. Let's see if this works. Ow. It's still hot. Okay. All right, there's no speakers. I still have to make them. Luckily, I have some garbage to do this with. I work at an elementary school and sometimes teachers get rid of old stuff. Someone was getting rid of like 8 pairs of these old headphones. They're probably, you know, like full of like cooties and stuff. So I just salvaged them for parts. I got cords with 1/8" jacks, I got potentiometers, switches, and speakers. So what I need to do is I need to like make a little stand for them and get them hooked into this. So what I'm gonna do first is I wanna make sure that that works and sounds okay. Here we go, here's the tiny speaker so you can see it. All right, here we go. Oh, it's not attached, that's why. Ha! Ha ha! That's max volume. These speakers are super tiny. It's adorable. Okay, so I wanted to see what would happen if I just put 2 speakers into one input. Let's see what happens. Ah! That's twice as loud, yes! So now that I know that this works, I'm gonna take these 2 speakers and make them into one for this, and I'm gonna mount them inside of this box I got. It looks like it was a Christmas present. Ooh, even got this like nice soft stuff. I bet that's gonna be really useful. More garbage, hooray! But this is black, and I guess that's nice, but I'm gonna spray paint it gold. Yeah, I know the other part is silver. Whatever.
I like gold. Plus, that's what I had in the house. Stop judging me, chickens. Stop judging me. I eat your unfertilized babies. So while that's drying, I'm gonna make the speaker insides. I'm gonna use this cord that I got from the headphones, and I'm gonna attach these two little speakers to them.
The smell of melted plastic.
I'm just gonna tape over it and call it good. Let's plug it in and see if it works.
Everything's on? Of course it is, because I never turn things off like an idiot. Ha ha! Look at them. Ha 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 ha! Now, let's go put them in a box and make it pretty. I've spray painted my box gold. Now, gotta make some little holes for these guys. Should I put them like in line? Or should I make them kind of cockeyed and weird? I mean, obviously, the answer is obvious to me. It's cockeyed. Because I do everything cockeyed. Why? Like, if I tried to make them straight, they would just be crooked anyway. So I just should embrace that always. Oh, I'm so good at my job. Oh my god. Kill myself on this. Oh, so shitty. Oh my god. Obviously that was not the correct tool to use, but alright, we can make it work. Okay, I decided that if I cut with an X-Acto knife, that's gonna be the best thing to make these a little bit, like, better. Yeah, you know, every time I use something sharp, I think, wow, I could really hurt myself with this. That's a lot better. Oh, thank God, they both fit. Even though they're slightly different sizes, it's fine. Okay, I want there to be some kind of like mesh material here.
Sometimes it pays off to be a hoarder. Look what I found in my closet.
This stuff smells like an old woman. It came off of a Halloween costume I got at a thrift store. Alright, I'm gonna add to kind of like the wonkiness of this. I want like a black outline. I'm gonna use one of these oil pens. Use these for like everything. The oil goes over the oil base of the spray paint, so that's why I like them. I'm just gonna make myself a nice little black outline. Awesome. So awesome. Oh, so scared right now. Oh, that's where you live now. Great. Now. Hee hee. Oh my god. Isn't it cute? Oh, look at it. Alright, let's try it. Ha 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 ha! Here's this. Let's compare sounds. Current one with that I just made. Oh, Jesus. That is so much better. Oh my god, it worked. Oh, so much better.
The moral of this story is that I had no idea what I was gonna make or how I was gonna make it when I got started. The point is, I just got started, and I used junk I had lying around or found at a thrift store. What are you gonna make from the stuff you have lying around? Subscribe to my channel and show me in the comments.